Protein na nasa lalagyanan ng powder ng mga baby.
These are the Tito Essentials.
Okay na ba to? Food for the thoughts tungkol sa actually nothing about the universe, but it keeps me sane, not think about work all the time.
Oh, I have my workout clothes because even if we're always busy, we have to find time to work out and exercise.
Usually nandito sila. Ito na lang. Eye drops siya pag dry eyes. Lalo na sa mga specifically for blue light siya. So, lagi ko siyang dala.
I have here Salabat, especially during rainy days. Rainy season na tayo ngayon, diba? Katin ko pagka medyo stress na ganyan. Stevia inhaler. Yeah. So, I think these are the Tito Essentials.
Pwede na ba to? It's my reusable utensils and even my tumbler. Para every time I go out, I have it, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga single-use utensils and even cups.
Pwede ba to yung mga discount card ko? Like yung mga ganito, parang healthy sa savings ko. Nakaka-add din ng discounts and nakaka-earn pa ng points.
My toothbrush to make sure I have fresh breath even though I'm so busy all day.
Whey protein na nasa lalagyanan ng powder ng mga baby. Kasi last year, I had a major operation and now I'm trying to build muscles again and hopefully live a better, healthier life.